Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your bank account, your emails, your social media, all hijacked overnight. Scary? Here's the shock. Over 60% of VPN users believe they're 100% safe, yet hackers prove them wrong every single day. Yes, hackers can bypass weak VPN setups and quietly siphon your identity without you even noticing. That's not science fiction. It's happening right now as you watch this. And here's the brutal truth. The one blind spot nobody told you about is what makes you the easiest prey. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your VPN may be leaking your identity and how to lock it down before it's too late. Tap my avatar if you're ready to protect yourself now. I remember a friend, David, who swore his VPN made him invincible online. He'd stream, download, log into public Wi-Fi at airports, thinking hackers couldn't touch him. But one morning, his PayPal and Gmail were already compromised. What happened? He learned the hard way that not all VPNs are built the same. Here's the painful truth. The problem is hackers don't need to break your VPN encryption. They just bypass it through weak DNS leaks, fake Wi-Fi traps, or exploiting free VPN servers. That false sense of safety is exactly how they get in. The agitate part? Every time you enter a password, every time you share personal data thinking your VPN shields you, it might already be exposed. Imagine the humiliation of your private chats being screenshotted by a stranger, or your card numbers ending up on dark web forums. But here's the solution. Not all VPNs fail. Military-grade encryption, DNS leak protection, kill switch technology, and no-log audits are what separate the secure from the useless. And this is why PureVPN has become the go-to for millions worldwide who actually want privacy that holds under pressure. Hackers thrive on weak links. Remove that link, and suddenly you're not the easy target anymore. Proof? Security research shows that audited VPNs like PureVPN drastically cut identity theft exposure. Social proof? Celebrities, CEOs, and even government officials rely on pro-grade VPNs daily. Still think any VPN is fine? That's the biggest mistake casual users make. Here's the twist. Most free VPNs actually sell your data to stay alive. That means you're literally paying hackers with your privacy. Don't fall into that trap. In just a moment, I'll reveal the single feature hackers hate most about PureVPN. But first, stick around, because this next insight could save you from being tomorrow's victim. Let's break it down simply. A VPN is supposed to do three things: hide your IP, encrypt your traffic, and keep no logs. But cheap or shady VPNs fail at one or more of these. Hackers exploit those cracks like water through broken glass. That's why comparison matters. While free apps promise protection, PureVPN invests in 6,500 plus servers, audited no-log policies, and ironclad DNS leak prevention. Feature advantage benefit? Here it is. Feature: AES 256-bit encryption. Advantage: same grade security trusted by militaries. Benefit: you browse, stream, trade, or bank online knowing your identity is invisible. And here's myth busting. People say, VPNs make me suspicious online. Wrong. With a trusted VPN, you blend into global traffic, making you harder to trace than ever. Or another myth. Hackers won't target me. I'm not important. False. Hackers target data, not status. Your email is as valuable as a CEO's. That's why every second you delay is a second you're exposed. And here's my micro CTA. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to lock your identity instantly with a click, but only if you stay till the end. Don't blink, because this final part answers the one burning question hackers hope you never ask. So, here's the close loop. I told you in the intro there's one blind spot hackers love. That blind spot is weak VPNs. They bypass free servers, exploit DNS leaks, and turn false confidence into your downfall. If you ignore this, tomorrow your passwords, your chats, your financial details could already be traded online. But if you act now, you slam the door shut in their face. If you care about your digital life, your privacy, your freedom, you must act today. Tap my avatar, check the channel description, because it holds your bonus when you sign up for Pure VPN now. Inclusive invitation. Join thousands of smart users protecting their privacy the right way, not the easy way. Closing wish. Stay safe, stay hidden, and stay one step ahead of hackers. Your online identity deserves nothing less.